Hey there, Chris here. So today we're going to talk about a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner that actually doesn't suck. All right, so first things first, the price. $7 online, in person, everywhere else I can find it. And it's $7 across the board, which I think is awesome. Maybe you might be able to find it on Amazon a little bit cheaper because it's Amazon. $7 for a 14-ounce bottle, which I think is fine, especially for a 2-in-1. Sounds good to me. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below, and so you can go choose to buy wherever you prefer it. Now the scent is minty, mentholy, whatever you want to call it. It is a minty smell. I don't mind it at all. I think it smells, it's like refreshing, but that's what this scent is. It's minty. I want to add that I have used this entire bottle. It is empty, but it's refreshing overall. It's strong, but it's enjoyable. It's not super overwhelming, and I like it. Hey, while you're watching this, can you hit your boy up with one of those likes? I appreciate it. Whenever you're changing up your shampoo and conditioner or just your shampoo, one of the things you want to take into consideration is the lather. And the lather with this one is actually really good compared to almost any other shampoo and conditioner I've used in the past. I mean, like, you don't need much at all. I have really short hair, so that bottle lasts me like almost a month. Literally, I mean, just a little bit of it was more than enough for me to use it, get everything done, get it nice and clean, and make it felt like it got a deep clean out of it. But yeah, the lather on it is really good. I mean, not just for a 2-in-1, but in general. And for the results of just how it treated my hair and how my hair felt afterwards, it's actually really hydrated still. For a 2-in-1, I mean, generally, if that is what you use, this is probably one of the ones I would recommend to go with. So being black, my hair gets dried out really easily by a lot of shampoos. That's just what it is. Like, as soon as I can feel it, I'm like, this one actually did. It did what it said. It leaves something in there for it being a 2-in-1. That's what it's supposed to do. A lot of the times with 2-in-1s is why I just don't like them in general, is they do a whole lot of the 1 and never the 2. This one actually, I would say, is an exception. Now, am I gonna start using this as a dedicated 2-in-1? No. I think you need a dedicated shampoo and a dedicated conditioner, which are for some reason getting harder and harder to find for men, which is weird. And like I said, without anything else in there, my hair felt good. It did feel a little bit dry compared to after I do use a conditioner, if I did use a dedicated conditioner and then put all my hair stuff in there afterwards. But for overall, if you don't do a bunch of that and you just really need something you need to get in and get out and be done with it, then definitely I would recommend going with this one over a lot of other stuff. All right, so that's gonna be it for this one. I do appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like and do all that other stuff, because it'd be cool to grow this community, you know, do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that. Cut my full outfit for today, just in case, oh shit, just in case y'all were wondering and wanted to see. Ooh, what? Ooh, what? Damn it. Oh. Yeah, but just in case y'all were wondering and wanted to see, some basic little khaki shorts, Amazon t-shirt I got, little Ralph Lauren button down. It's a little bit oversized, but I like it like that. That's why I wear it all open, because if I closed it, it'd look all baggy. And then I got the Seiko 5 on and no shoes. Okay, so now that's really it.